It's a really early bloomer in winter. It's a great harbinger of spring. What I have here is a wonderful little bulb that is a really early bloomer in winter. It's a great harbinger of spring. This Leucojum, or snowdrop or dewdrop, is a white flower with little tiny green tips to it and a very rounded little bell shape with a little teeny golden tone with the pollen in the middle. But it's got strap-like leaves and it grows in bunches, and this has grown out over years to form this nice colony kind of drifting down. It's multiplied, and if you're used to growing daffodils or narcissus, this would work very well. So these little guys add a good amount of extra winter cheer, and the foliage will be gone in the summer, but they're really good for a Mediterranean climate to come back year after year. Hi, thanks for joining me. If you found this video interesting or informative, or you think that other people might, please give me the thumbs up or subscribe on my YouTube channel. That way I'll know, and other people will know, that this is a good thing. There's a lot of treasures to explore out there, and it's fun to share them. Something fun to show you. This is a bulb with little white flowers. This is Leucojum, or dewdrop, or snowdrop. It's a little white bell-like flower, a perennial bulb that comes out one of the first things in winter or spring. It's really easy in our Mediterranean climate, and if you're used to growing daffodils or narcissus, this would work very well. It has strap-like leaves, and over time can form colonies and make these nice drifts. But Something fun to add that's really easy. It's not much care. The foliage dies down in the summer, and you cut it off, and it'll appear back next winter. So, Leucojum, something to add to your garden perennial bulb palette.